y'all are gonna see. I haven't been on a plane since 2016, when I think after school or school period. No, yeah, before NYST. So now, pardon me if I seem like a villager. Yeah. As I was sitting here, I just thought about it. Like, I think I've found a new calling. You know these people that stay in the airport and like announce your flights and everything? I'm sure they get paid well. And I think I want that to be my next job. Y'all, I look like a freaking psycho carrying like, and Ghana must go. And a Ghana must go. Guys, do you know how I'm usually not the most comfortable person? In fact, I hate leaving my house. I do not like driving. I do not like flying. I think I just like trains, and unfortunately we do not have trains in Nigeria. Okay, we do, but a few of them. So yeah, I'm going to just be very prayerful. I hate flying. I hate it. Like, I haven't even eaten the snack they gave us, because usually when I'm in the plane I find it hard to eat. I'm just busy praying 247. Like, I'm either saying Ya Allah forgive my sins because of the fear, or I'm just like Ya Allah take us there safe. Yeah, I'm always switching, like Ya Allah forgive my sins, Ya Allah take us there safe. Good. Alhamdulillah. Okay guys, so it took forever for them to actually get our boxes out, but no biggie. Last time I was in Lagos was I think 2017 back. Anyway, we're about to head home, so believe me when I tell you that I am tired to the fullest. Lagos airport is so beautiful now. Well, I guess I'm just noticing it because I have been, you know, but I don't know what to say. I'm just exhausted. I can't wait to actually have a decent sleep. Whew. Finally, I am going to eat the snack which I couldn't eat when I was on the plane, because God knows I can't eat when I'm on the plane. So yeah, it's going to be a long drive home. You guys, I just woke up and I walked out of the room to go and find something to eat, and I just saw my niece sleeping in the next room, so let me go and video her. are you?
I'm fine. Oh, please don't video me. I have a red eye.
It's because you've not. Guys, this Indomie is amazing. Hey guys, morning. So it's my day 2 in Lagos, practically my second to the last day. Actually, my last day because I'm leaving tomorrow, and we're headed out in a bit. Yep, I'm about to take some pictures with my sisters, and yeah.
That glass should go with my dress more.
The glass should go more with your dress.
Yeah.
You want full body?
No, it doesn't.
Yeah, wait. These are the Sarabis models.
Oshé, baddest.
People should do because I need Sarabis models.
Sorry, what's a
Is it
Sarabis?
right? What's Sarabis? I don't blame you. What's QQ? AQ.
I did now.
Wait, your words are stand like this. Now did not snap me like this. Anyway, what's my business? I'm taking my pictures for Friday.
I'm not snapping. It's a video.
It's a video for our vlog, so you be on YouTube doing like this.
No problem. Like I don't say.
I noticed I'm posing and she's not taking
Wait,
it.
wait, you know you've been.
Yeah, well, I just got home to this amazing meal. What's his name again? Mr. Jerry is an awesome cook.
Is it better than Samati?
I think so. He's cleaner. My last day in Lagos. I am headed to the airport in the next 1 hour. We're leaving for the airport by 9. Our flight is for 12, but you know Lagos, you have to leave 3 hours earlier before their traffic will just kill you and you miss your flight. So guys, as usual, I am not a fan of flying, and pray for me. Although if I'm able to upload this video, then it means I'm alive. I wasn't able to vlog a lot of my activities because I didn't even have time for my phone, to be honest. So as boring as this vlog has been, at least you saw me on the plane, you saw the cloud, which is fair enough. So I'll see if I can take more videos along the line, and yeah.
Did you enjoy your Lagos trip?
Kinda.
What's one thing? What did you enjoy the most?
Free Wi-Fi.
And what was food?
The things I really wanted to eat, I haven't been able to get them.
Like what?
I really wanted that crispy cream.
Okay.
And the mozzarella cheese stick from Bistro.
Why didn't you get the why didn't you get cheese stick again?
Well, their number was ringing out, so I want to conclude that they have a lot of money and customers.
Maybe they were closed.
Hmm?
Maybe they were closed.
Maybe.
Do you see yourself come back to Lagos anytime soon?
I want to, I hope to, but I don't see myself coming back anytime soon. Okay guys, so we are at the airport, and God, let me just try and settle. Alright, thank you, Madam Ibrahim. Yeah, Lagos airport is so beautiful. Looks like a freaking mall though. I feel bush, but it's all good. Thank you.
The inconvenience caused by this delay, please bear with us. Thank you.
You guys, I honestly don't know how my sister sleeps in the plane. I don't know. Like, we're supposed to be praying and she's sleeping. Finally, we are back in Abuja. We're back. We're back. So, Alhamdulillah, we made it. All the pocket money I got, I can spend it in peace and alive. Alright guys, I'm going to end my vlog here. I know it's been a boring vlog, but yeah, please support me by tapping on that like button and subscribing, and I'll see you in my next vlog, inshallah. Assalamu